Now I will ask very interesting questions. चलो सोचते हैं. Everyone give me your suggestions. We'll all question sir now.
मुझे लगता है कि अब तक जो किया वो ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर
अरे nice sir. What for you was the highlight standout best performance of the year?
Karthik and Chandu Champion, I thought he was very good. Yeah.
What is the worst interview experience you have ever had?
नाम नहीं भी देंगे तो चलेगा कि नाम लेना चाहिए.
Depends on tell the story. नहीं नाम लेने की जरूरत
है ना, आपको
चलो,
पसंद
I'll be
नहीं.
kind, I'll be kind.
For
I'm
your
like the audience
for
who's
your
watching
sake.
this is going to be like, why? क्यों? What
जी.
is your favorite meme that has come out of your interviews?
I did this interview with Sandeep Reddy Venga for Animal. So it was basically through, it was a virtual interview. There were certain people who called me from India and like, कि वो हमने देखा आपका पिक्चर, आपका एक्सप्रेशन इस तरीके से आ गया. मैंने कहा भाई इस तरीके की पब्लिसिटी के लिए करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करते हैं लोग.
हाँ, correct.
चेहरा तो आ रहा है.
Correct. What for you was the highlight, standout, best performance of the year?
I think Pratibha Rangta in Lapata Ladies.
Very good performance. Very good.
I think she was outstanding.
Even Sparsh was very good.
Sparsh was outstanding. I think
his eyes, my God, he was so
brilliant performance whatsoever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even Karthik and Chandu Champion, I thought he was very good. Yeah.
Who do you think was miscast for a project this year?
You know, I don't think from that point of view usually. Because I don't look at films from that point of view कि ये miscasting. आजकल तो वैसे ही मुझे लगता है कि casting more or less जो है वो मतलब spot on ही होती है.
Correct.
बहुत ही rarely आपको ऐसा होता है कि that this is बिल्कुल ही story एकदम different है. तो ऐसा कोई मुझे नजर नहीं आया कोई.
What is the worst interview experience you have ever had?
Worst interview experience where
while you were interviewing someone,
the person whom I was talking to was rather rude or something like that.
Well, like, what was the worst when you think of the worst interview experience? कि आपने सोचा कि मैं इसका interview I'll never take it again.
So मैं नाम नहीं भी देंगे तो चलेगा कि नाम लेना चाहिए.
Depends on tell the story. नहीं नाम लेने की जरूरत
है ना, आपको पसंद नहीं.
For your like the audience who's watching this is going to be like, why? क्यों?
For your sake. आपको पसंद नहीं.
I won't make you. But you can give us okay. I'll make a compromise. But at the end you have to give us a clue, and then the audience can guess who this person was.
So basically, I was at not IFFI, but Youth Festival था गोवा में.
Recently?
So, not काफी साल पहले. काफी many years back. So वहाँ पर यूथ फेस्टिवल था तो वहाँ पर वैनिटी वैन में इंटरव्यूज हो रहे थे. So there was this actress and so वैनिटी वैन से वो निकली and she started we started doing the interview. So वो कुछ थोड़ा सा slightly but she was not really being herself and she was slightly being rude and a bit whatsoever this and that. So उसमें ये है कि that मैंने उनसे एक दो सवाल पूछे जो भी उस तरीके but she was it was लग रहा था कि कोई एहसान कर रही है. So फिर 2-3 सवाल पूछ के मैंने कहा ओके ठीक है. तो बोले कि इंटरव्यू खत्म हो गया. मैंने कहा जी. And I just walked out.
Really?
Yeah.
So but she was not rude.
She was.
Oh, she was rude.
She was.
Now give a clue. Don't say the name, but give a clue. A good clue that people will have fun guessing with in the comments.
Good clue. Yeah. So she started off as an heroine, and after that she started doing character roles and that sort of route that she took primarily.
Okay, wait. One, two more questions I want to ask you.
And a few times like I have I'm very patient in terms of waiting and all those things, but there were times when certain people they really tested your patience and everything, so just had to skip it. Yeah,
fair. And who is your all-time favorite best interview?
You know, it's very difficult to say. First of all, it's very difficult to say. But मैं यहाँ पे ये कहूँगा कि that बच्चन साहब का मैंने एक बार वो देखा था he had a press conference for this movie called Teen. Someone asked him कि that आपका अब तक favorite performance कौन सा है? तो he said none of them. So the journalist said कि आप तो इतना humility का आप display करते हैं. How can Amitabh Bachchan not have a more satisfying work? So he said that the day I get satisfied with any of my films, that will be the death of me as a creative person. So मुझे लगता है कि that अभी तो बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. You know, I genuinely feel that people think that you've done like say all these thousands of interviews and all that. मुझे लगता है कि अब तक जो किया वो ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर.
अरे, nice sir. And last question, what is your favorite meme that has come out of your interviews? Because I've seen so many. So I want to find out from you what is your favorite that makes you
have
laugh
this
the most.
deadpan expression और उसके बारे में बड़े चर्चे होते हैं मेरे. So I did this interview with Sandeep Reddy Venga for Animal. So it was basically through it was a virtual interview. People think that we are face to face, but I was in Canada. He was here at T Series office. We did it through VFX. So now, so he was talking. Basically, I'm looking in the mobile phone, and I'm barely able to see him. And it's a very intense discussion. That interview went hugely viral, especially where he spoke about the critics. So I'm just trying to. It's middle of the night, 12 o'clock over there. More than 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night. So I'm just concentrating, trying to listen to him. So now, what really happened was maybe editor didn't realize it. So he also had my expression while I'm listening to him. So then I switch karte hain idhar se. Now that expression of mine, that became a massive meme.
Yeah.
There are Instagram पे जो ये सब जितने भी digital वो सब होते हैं, उन्होंने उस मीम को उस पिक्चर को कहाँ डाला है.
Too funny.
and like I was like it was very funny. In fact, then there were certain people who called me from India and like कि वो हमने देखा आपका पिक्चर, आपका एक्सप्रेशन इस तरीके से आ गया. मैंने कहा भाई इस तरीके की पब्लिसिटी के लिए करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करते हैं लोग.
हाँ, correct.
चेहरा तो आ रहा है.
Correct.
जैसे भी आए. So
बात
I think that was बट उसके अलावा भी हैं. उसके अलावा भी एक साजिद खान का इंटरव्यू मैंने किया था. So उसमें he said कि that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये कादर खान साहब के जो डायलॉग्स हिम्मत वाला के थे, तो मेरी हिम्मत वाला के डायलॉग्स जो साजिद फराद ने लिखे हैं उससे थोड़े से बेटर हैं. अब मैंने इम्प्रॉम्प्चू मैंने कहा अच्छा. तो अब वो अच्छा मैंने कहा, वो इम्प्रॉम्प्चू मैंने कहा, अब वो उस अच्छा के ऊपर रेडिट पे डिस्कशंस हैं कि दिस इज व्हाट ही मेंट. कि दैट ही
This I've seen a lot of yours where you give a reaction and people are trying to deduce whether you're being sarcastic about something, whether you're being serious, whether you're trying to take the joke out of someone.
अलाया जी क्या होता है? You know, I've had instances where a mere smile has been, I've been trolled for that. इस smile का meaning ये था. तो मैंने कहा भाई deadpan expression पकड़ो. तो राखी सावंत का एक मैंने इंटरव्यू किया था, उसमें मैक्सिमम कमेंट्स में ये थे कि ये आदमी हंस क्यों नहीं रहा है.
हाँ.
But it was a very serious discussion and like I was very clear that I should not laugh whatsoever. And then I was just concentrating on the next question. लोगों को लगता है कि आप कैसे रोक सकते हो. But I don't know कि वो.
I love it.
आप करना चाहें तो कर सकते हैं.
Good, sir. Enjoyed these answers. You enjoyed my questions, sir?
Amazing, amazing.